Classic Truck Rescue. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Jamie and I are getting ready to upload a video we made about 5 years ago called The 12 Trucks of Christmas. It's a Christmas tradition. We want to wish all of our viewers and everybody watching a Merry Christmas. And we've had mixed reactions. Well, I've had mixed reactions to... You're cold, aren't you? You're cold too. I've had mixed reactions to the 12 Trucks of Christmas. Either people really love it, or
they really love it.
Or they really love it, yes. Or they don't. So look at it as something that you can use for a Christmas blessing. If you love it, send it to someone that you care about and want to share it with. And if there's somebody that needs a little coal in their stocking this year, you could send it to them.
That's not coal.
They know what I mean. Anyways, we're looking forward to the holidays. We're not having a big Christmas. We're just going to be with people that we love. And we want to thank all of our viewers for the growth that Classic Truck Rescue, the channel's had this year. We're growing slow, but we always grow. And
This is totally different than what we just did before you lost all the footage.
I lost. We already did this and I lost. We went inside and I lost the footage. And I always joke with Jamie. I walk over to the camera after we do an intro and I'll go, oh, and she'll look at me like, oh, we got to do it again. Well, that backfired on me because I really did lose it. Anyway, back to Christmas. The 12 Trucks of Christmas. This is a video that we made 5 years ago. And it was when we first got the property. And I was going to shut the chicken up I was going to shut our rooster up before by throwing him some bread or by feeding him, which I did. Right, but that was a while ago. Anyway, I shortened it up for this year, but Jamie and I are going to make a new version of the 12 Trucks of Christmas, huh, honey? That'll be fun. And we're going to have more trucks in it, and you can't stop us.
More poundage in it.
More, yeah, we're a little more portly in our... I'll cut that. Yeah,
why? It's true.
We're comfortable in our
Which makes
old
me
age.
look even shorter.
No, you make you look shorter. Jamie's paw's doing better. Jamie had isn't that cute? Look, it matches the new hot rod we got her, the little kick and go thing. That didn't sound good. Anyway, Merry Christmas from us to you. Please like, share, subscribe, share this video. I'm talking over here. Share this video with somebody. Spread the Christmas cheer. And we know it's been a rough year for a lot of people, but just be glad. There's something to be grateful for, right? And when we look at this old video of when we had nothing done out here on the property, I know I'm grateful. And it cheers me up, right?
Sure.
Classic Truck Rescue. Merry Christmas.
Peace
and have a
out.
happy New Year.
Peace out.
Peace out. Good girl. Good girl.
Why are you smiling so much?
I want to mess around in my truck, and I always have to behave.
I told Jamie she could go out and have a little fun in her truck. If it gets stuck, we'll get it unstuck. But
Brandon, people need to know that right now Gopher is sporting ball tires.
ball tires.
But these tires were the Shiznitty Blams when we went to Idaho in a blizzard.
This is Nini Blam. Go have some fun.
Bye.
Good job, baby. She did pretty good. Good job, honey.
On the first day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Homer in the briars and trees.
On the second day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
2 Chevy trucks and Homer freed from briars and trees.
On the third day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer running again for me.
On the fourth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer running good finally.
On the fifth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer with electricity.
On the sixth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer hauling trucks for me.
On the seventh day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer popping wheelies for me.
On the eighth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer towing rigs for me.
On the ninth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me Jed and he's prancing.
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer saving a red GMC.
On the 10th day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Tug, he's worth keeping.
Jed and he's prancing.
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer started knocking on me.
On the 11th day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Pumpkin slightly griping, Tug, he's worth keeping.
Jed and he's prancing.
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer saving hop to Yessery.
On the 12th day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
2 pumpers pumping, Pumpkin slightly griping, Tug, he's worth keeping.
Jed and he's prancing.
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer out by our Christmas tree. Yeah, that was fun.